In front of me is LENOVO Tab M11, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm section at the top on the left. Then before creating a new one, tap on those three dots at the top right corner and hit Settings. Now you can manage all of those under Alarms however you want to, and when you finished, go back. To create new alarm, use this big button with a plus at the bottom. Then set up an hour. When you're ready, click on OK in Select Time pop-up and adjust all of those alarm options however you want to. At the top, you can add label and save it by hitting OK. Then pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones, and even exclude some dates by clicking on this plus next to pause alarm, picking date to exclude and hitting OK. To remove it, tap on this remove button next to it. Now you can add or remove your alarm from Google Assistant routine thanks to this icon next to it. And last but not least, click on this bell in the middle of Pause Alarm and Google Assistant. Now decide if you wish to download Spotify music or YouTube music. Then hit Dismiss. And to use one of those apps, click on the chosen one at the top. Then log in to use music from it. If you wish to select sounds though, you can click on Add New under your sounds. Tap on any song from your device and apply it as new alarm sound. You can also just pick one of those by clicking on the best one. Now, to hide all of those options, click on the top right corner. If you wish to switch off your alarm completely, use blue switcher next to it, and to turn it back on, the grey one. To make some changes to your alarm, click on the same icon at the top right corner. Change wherever you want to. And click on the same corner again. Lastly, to get rid of your alarm, click at the top right corner and bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!